To stream in 4K with OBS Studio, you need a capable computer, a stable high-speed internet connection, and a streaming platform that supports 4K streaming. First, open OBS Studio and go to Settings. Select Video and set your base canvas resolution to 3840 by 2160 if your content is being captured in 4K. Next, set the output resolution to 3840 by 2160. Keep in mind that 4K streaming requires significantly more processing power and bandwidth than Full HD. Now open the Output section and switch the output mode to Advanced. Go to the Streaming tab and choose a suitable encoder. If your graphics card supports hardware encoding, use the appropriate hardware encoder to reduce the workload on your CPU. Set your bitrate according to the requirements of your streaming platform and your available upload speed. A higher resolution generally requires a higher bitrate, so make sure your internet connection can handle the selected setting consistently. Next, check your FPS. 60 FPS provides smoother motion, especially for gaming, but it requires more system resources. If your computer struggles, consider using 30 FPS instead. Before going live, run a private or test stream if your platform supports it. Watch the OBS stats window and look for rendering lag, encoding overload, or dropped frames.